Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing video on this InStyle Box, the summer edition. It's actually that kind of video that I haven't done like in a long time, and I thought like at this moment will be a perfect and try maybe like do more videos like that. And also if you want to see more videos like this one, please let me know in the comments below. And now let's move into the InStyle box and let's see what I've got this month. So this is how it is inside. It always comes with this magazine. It has like information on the products that you received in the box. So the first product that I have, it's a snack. And it's a coconut snack, sweet blossom organic coconut chips. This is how it looks. It's from Tropical. Well, I will have tried them right now, but I'm on a diet at the moment, so yeah, I won't do that. Well, not until next week, so yeah, sorry. So the next product that I have here, it's a mascara from Yves Rocher and it's called Feel Stronger. It's a black mascara. So I will be trying this mascara on the next video that I will be doing, and I will let you know how it works for me. The next product that I have, it's from Redken and it's conditioner for colored hair. Very nice. It says 99% naturally derived ingredients, and I think I saw somewhere here. Yes, and it comes with a shampoo. Very nice. You can try both of them and see if it works for you. This is a very nice combination. It's also for colored hair, and I think I will be trying these two because the middle part of my hair, it's colored, and I think it will be a nice alternative. Maybe try something different and see how it works with my crazy hair. Okay, so now I'm moving to the next products. I have from Veleda, I think it's pronounced Veleda. It's a beauty balm. Well, it's all written in German, but this one seems to be something like a BB cream. It says to be 5-in-1. Yes, so it's like a BB cream with a moisturizer together, and it gives you some moisture, it gives you a more of a matte finish, and it protects your face skin. So as I said, somehow a BB cream, something like that. The next product that I have, it's from I Plus M. And this one seems to be, yes, it's actually a serum with aloe vera and hyaluronic acid, and you can use it before you apply your face cream or just by itself, and then you just kind of massage that into your skin. And it's cruelty free and vegan as well. Beautiful, very nice. The next product that I have, it's body lotion from Dove. It's a full-size product, and actually all the products that I have received are on the full size. This is why I do like these InStyle boxes. So it smells very nice. So let's try that here on my arm. It has like a slightly cooling effect. It smells very nice, and it has a white tea in it. So the next product will be this face and nose strips from Biore. I do have something similar. I have the black ones, which are for the nose, and let me tell you, they work miracles. They're just perfect. Now the next product I have, it's a perfume from Le Parfumeur. I know my French nails it as always. So this one, it's called Noir, and let's see how it smells. Okay, so it seems to be like a travel size or something like that. And so let's see.
Oh my god! Wow, this is insane. Oh my god. Okay, I mean, like, this is crazy. This is beyond crazy. Wow, it smells?
It smells insane. It smells so nice. It's crazy. Noir for the evening. Immerse yourself in the silky, soft fragrance. Express the secret side of your personality. It has plum, ylang ylang. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly, and vanilla. Oh my god, but I don't know, guys. I'm really sad right now for you that you cannot smell this perfume, but it's insane.
It's like insane. No, like literally insane. Wow.
This is amazing. It smells. If you want to like ever describe how perfection it smells, then I can only tell you that. Noir. This is how perfection smells. Amazing, really beautiful. Okay, so the last product I have, it's actually a bandana, which is perfect now for summer. Very nice, very beautiful. I do love the colors, this combination between orange and green, very beautiful. Yeah, and yeah, those are the products that I've got from this InStyle Box Summer Edition. Let me know in the comments below if you liked the products, or if you want to see a review on a product that I've shown you today. As always, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Also let me know if you want to see more videos like this one, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!